So guys, we are inside our sample project. Now suppose we want to highlight the penguin throughout the video. For that, go to pip, then import same video again, fill or fit to cover the full screen, go to filter. We can use bright or other options. For now, let's use the bright. Then go to mask, circular mask, position it over the subject. Now we are at the start of our project. Tap on this button to place a keyframe. Then move forward slowly. As you can see, our subject moved away from our highlight zone. So again, go to mask and reposition the highlighter. This will automatically place a keyframe. Just repeat this process. And if there is no movement for a long time, then just tap on the same button to place a fake keyframe. And that's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.